Have you ever thought about some of the decisions that a captain's got to make before he comes out for the toss? Now, here's a list here. We're going to look at some of these and just go through it a little bit. The first thing he's going to want to know is the pace of the surface, right? How quick is the surface going to be today? Now, if we have a closer look here, if I come down to a quick bowler's length, about 6 metres from the base of the stumps, I mean, this is really good. Look at it, nice grass. Look at it, I'm not going to touch it, but it's nice grass as well. And there's not too many cracks, and I think this is going to come on quite nicely to the bat. So I think that's going to be pretty good as well. So therefore, I'm going to say that's positive. Also, I think the bounce is going to be good as well. So that's positive. Let me refer to the spin area now, and there's nothing. There's no rough at all for a spinner to work in. The spinners are good, and they will get a little bit of purchase off this surface, as you normally do get in Lahore, but that's not going to be any great concern for the batsman. So first of all, from the quicks point of view there, looking good, and from the spinners in this area, it's also looking good. So what have I got again? Let's come back and have a look. I've put low later here. Is it going to keep a little bit low later on? If it does keep low, then maybe a captain might want to bowl second, but it's not, so that's not going to be a problem. Is there going to be any dew around the place? No, there's not. If there is any dew around the place, I think the guys that have been training under lights all the time, and I think they'll be fine if there's any dew around the place, so it's going to be not an issue at all. The other thing, swing and seam. The quick bowlers are good on both sides, so there will be a little bit of swing around the place. There'll be no seam on the surface really, even though there was just a little bit of grass. Okay, what about the last time? This is pitch number 7. The average score on this pitch was 153. The highest score on this pitch batting first was 182. So this is going to be a really good surface. Now I've given you all this information, but let me just do this. I'll tell you why. Because the Sharks, they like batting first. They won 3 batting first. The Royals, they like bowling first. So we're not going to have a toss. We don't need to have a toss. Captains, stay there. No toss needed. Nothing. No toss needed at all.